Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve 13.3 exercise, first problem. Okay, see the question. What is given in the question? A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeters. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeters is melted and recast into new shape cylinder of the shape cylinder of radius 6 centimeters. So what is given here? One sphere, a metallic sphere. We are having one metallic sphere whose radius is 4.2 centimeters and it is melted and recast into new shape, which is a cylinder. This melted and recast a new shape, which is a cylinder whose radius is given. So cylinder radius is also given, which is found from this sphere. After melting and recast into cylinder, we got one cylinder shape whose radius is given 6 centimeters. We have to find this length of the cylinder. That is nothing but height of the cylinder. Okay. So what we did here, one metallic sphere is melted and recast into new shape. That means the volume of this sphere and volume of the new shape cylinder will be equal. Why? Because this is found from the sphere only. After melting the sphere, we made a new shape, which is cylinder. So always the volume will be equal. So using that condition, we can find the height of the cylinder by taking volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. Then we can find the height of the cylinder. Okay. Now I am going to solve this question. Solution. What is given? Write the information first. Given radius of sphere. Radius of sphere. I am taking its radius as R1. R1 is 4.2 centimeters. Okay. And after melting and recast into new shape of cylinder, cylinder radius also given. And radius of cylinder. Radius of cylinder. I am taking as R2. R2 is 6 centimeters. Right. Height of the cylinder I am taking as H. Right. Height of cylinder. Height of cylinder I am taking as H. We are going to find height of the cylinder. Right. So what is given in the question? The sphere is melted and recast into cylinder. So here sphere is melted. Sphere is melted and recast. Recast into cylinder. Sphere is melted and recast into cylinder. So that implies volume of cylinder, volume of sphere, volume of sphere always equal to volume of cylinder, volume of cylinder. Okay. Right. What is the formula for volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi R1 cube. Why? Because R1 is radius of sphere. Right hand side volume of cylinder pi R square H. Here R2. Why? Because radius of cylinder I have taken as R2. Okay. Now I am going to substitute these values in this. 4 by 3 pi R1 4.2 whole cube is equal to pi into R2 6 square into H. Pi cancel on both sides. Here 4 by 3 into 4.2 whole cube. I am sending 6 square at left hand side. 6 square is equal to H. So H is equal to 4 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 by 3 into 36. 4 9s are 36. Okay. After simplifying this, you will get approximately height is 2.74. 2.74 centimeters. Okay. After simplifying this, you will get the height as 2.74 approximately. After simplification of this calculation, you will get 2.74 centimeters as height of the cylinder. Okay. Now next question. Question number 2. This exercise, second question. What is second question? Metallic sphere. Metallic sphere of radius of radii 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of resulting sphere. Find the radius of resulting sphere. See, observe the question. What is given? Metallic spheres. We have 3 metallic spheres of radius 6 centimeters. First metallic sphere radius 6 centimeters. Second metallic sphere radius 8 centimeters. Third metallic sphere radius 10 centimeters. So that 3 spheres melted and recast into single solid sphere. See here, one sphere having the radius 6 centimeters, another sphere having the radius 8 centimeters, another sphere having the radius 10 centimeters. These 3 spheres melted and recast into single solid sphere. These 3 spheres melted and recast into a new solid sphere. We are going to find this radius of sphere. So what we can observe that if you are melting these 3 spheres and converting into solid spheres, so volume of these 3 spheres will be equal to this solid sphere. Sum of volume of these 3 spheres is equal to volume of this solid sphere. Using that condition we can find the radius. Okay. So by adding these 3 spheres, volume is equal to volume of this sphere, automatically we can get the radius of the sphere. Right? Let me write what is given. Solution. Given metallic spheres radii. First radius I am taking, first sphere radius I am taking as R1 6 centimeters, R2 8 centimeters, R3 10 centimeters. Solid sphere radius I am taking as R. Solid sphere, let solid sphere radius be R. Solid sphere radius I am taking as R, right? Now sum of volumes of 3 metallic spheres. Sum of volumes of 3 metallic spheres equal to volume of solid sphere. Okay. Sum of values of 3 metallic spheres. What is the volume of each sphere? 4 by 3 pi R1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi R2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi R3 cube is equal to solid sphere volume 4 by 3 pi R cube. R1 is first sphere radius, R2 is second sphere radius, R3 is third sphere radius, and R is solid sphere radius. Now by taking 4 by 3 pi common on left hand side, and taking 4 by 3 pi common, then you will get R1 cube, R2 cube, R3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel on both sides. I am substituting the values here. R1 is 6, 6 cube, 8 cube, 10 cube equal to R cube. 6 cube, 6 6 the 36, 36 6 the 216. 8 cube, 8 8 the 64, 64 8 the 512 plus 1000 is equal to R cube. Now by adding these three values you will get 512 216 8 2 7 1 1728 is equal to R cube. Now we need to find R cube. So we have to convert 1728 as some number cube. Now by taking the LCM of 1728, using 4 table, 4 4 the 16, 4 3 the 12, 4 2 the 8. 3 table, 3 1 the 3 4 the 12, 3 4 the 12. Again 4 4 3 the 12, 4 6 the 3 1 the 3 2 the. See here 4 into 3 12, 4 into 3 12, 12. So you can write 12 cube. 12 cube equal to R cube. R is 12 centimeters. So resulting sphere, solid sphere radius is therefore solid sphere radius is R equal to 12 centimeters. Okay. Now problem number 3, our problem. Problem number 3. A 20 meters deep well. 20 meters deep well with diameter 7 centimeters. Diameter 70 centimeters. Diameter 7 centimeters. Is dug and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meters by 14 meters. Find the height of the platform. This is third question. Okay. So 20 meters deep well with diameter. So I am taking one deep well. Well is in the shape of cylinder. This is the well. The depth of the well is 20 meters deep well, whose diameter of the well is 7 centimeters. Is dug and earth from the digging evenly spread out from the platform. So after taking the earth from the well, we are making a cuboid shape platform. Its dimensions also given. Platform 20 meters length, 22 meters length, and breadth is 14 meters. We have to find height of the platform. So we are taking the earth from the well, no? So that is we are taking earth from the well and we are making new shape of cuboid. That means we are taking earth from the well means it is a volume of the cylinder. Cylinder is nothing but here well. Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. If you take volume of cylinder equal to volume of cuboid, by equating them you can get the height of the platform. Okay. Let me write the given information. We know that well is in the shape of cylinder. Solution. We know that well is in the shape of cylinder. whose diameter, whose diameter, whose diameter is given b equal to 7 centimeters, radius r equal to 7/2 centimeters. Height, depth of well is denoted by h, which is 20 meters, and platform is in the shape of, in the shape of cuboid, whose dimensions are length is 22 meters, breadth is 14 meters. Let the height be h. We are going to find height of the cuboid. So here well radius is 7/2 and breadth is 20 meters. Depth is 20 meters, right? Now I am equating the cylinder volume. Therefore, that implies volume of well is equal to volume of platform. Volume of well equal to volume of platform. Volume of well is cylinder volume, pi r square h, and volume of platform, here I am taking this as h1. Why? Because we have cylinder depth also. Depth we are denoting by h. So here platform height I am denoting by h1. This is h1. Okay. And volume of platform is LBH1. I am going to substitute the values. 22/7 r square. What is r? 7/2 whole square. H value 20. L value 22. B 14 into H1. Now let me find H1 value here. 22 cancel on both sides. 7 into 7 into 20 by 7 into 2 into 2 by sending 14 at left hand side by 14 is equal to H1. 7 2s are 14. 7 cancel. 2 10s are 5. 2 5s are. So H1 is 5/2. That is 2.5 centimeters. So height of the platform is 2.5 centimeters. Okay. So we completed 3 problems. Remaining problems you can do as homework. Thank you.